In this video, we have a look at one of the concerns that arise when you square a negative number on a calculator. Now, if we've got -3 and we want to square the number, we know that squaring means to multiply the number by itself. So -3 multiplied by -3, because it's two negatives multiplied together, means it will be a positive result, and 3 times 3 is 9. So the result of -3 squared is 9. But when we go to put this on a calculator and we type it in literally as we say it, in other words, -3 squared, the result will be -9. So that can often cause confusion. But what we need to think about is the calculator's interpreting this as the negative of 3 squared. And what it actually calculates is -1 multiplied by 3 squared. And order of operations says to do indices first, so it squares the 3 and gets 9. And then puts a negative in front of it after multiplying by -1. So the solution to this problem is to put the -3 into brackets, so that when we square the number, we're not just squaring the 3, we're squaring -3. And that will give us a result of +9. Now by itself, that probably seems an easy solution to come across. But what happens when we're doing it in a quadratic equation or on a table? And this is where the issues often arise, where it's done quickly. So let's look at the first y value, which corresponds with x equals -3. If we square -3 incorrectly, we get -9. And then we add two lots of -3 and then add 1. And if you go through and do that process, you'll end up with -9, take 6, plus 1, and that gives you -14. So we need to correct that based on -3 squared like we saw beforehand. So -3 squared is actually 9. And then if we add two lots of -3, that's like taking 6 and then adding 1 gives us a total of 4.